How to use Spotify AI prompted playlist feature. Well, Spotify's AI powered prompted playlist feature, currently in beta, enables premium users on Android and iOS to create custom playlists by typing text descriptions in the Your Library tab. So you can open up Spotify if you have the premium, and if you have the access to the feature, you can open up Spotify and head over to Your Library option. Here, what you can do is type a detailed. You'll find the plus icon at the top of your screen. At the top right corner, tap on plus and you'll be able to see the playlist option. So you can select playlist here. Now here you should be able to find the prompted playlist feature. In this case, you can see I don't have any premium, so it's not showing me that feature. But if you do have one, you'll be able to see it. You want to select prompted playlist, then type in a detailed description of the playlist you want. Examples include indie folk for a rainy day or high energy 90s rock. You can also select from example prompts. Then the AI will create a list. You can add more text prompts, example less acoustic, more upbeat, such, and refine the selection and manually remove tracks as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.